So in this one, I have e to the pi x over x squared. I just noticed that this is a this is a rational function, so I'm going to have to use the quotient rule. So f prime of x is going to be, I'm just going to go ahead and write out all the parentheses that I need for this. So it's going to be low d high minus high d low, square the bottom, and off you go. Okay. So what goes in here is this just the denominator. So that's just an x squared squared. Okay. And then here is going to be the bottom function, which is x squared. And then derivative of the top function. So that's going to be e to the pi x times pi. It's just chain rule. And then, so I did low d high minus high e to the pi x d low. So derivative of x squared is 2x. And then square the bottom. And so we're done. And just leave it like that. Don't spend time trying to simplify, because if you do, you're likely to make an error. All right, next one, I want to find, and this means the second derivative. So that's the way you would write the second derivative in Leibniz notation. So let's do f prime of u is equal to, all right, the derivative of e to the u is e to the u, minus, and derivative of u to the fourth is 4u cubed. So that's the first derivative. And to take the second derivative, I just take the derivative of the derivative. Again, the derivative of e to the u is e to the u. And the derivative of negative 4u cubed is going to be negative 12u squared.